Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I have a new launch by Lakme and this is the Lakme Iconic Insta Cool Kajal. This is available only on Flipkart right now, and in coming days maybe it will be available everywhere on every other platform, but right now it is available only on Flipkart. So this comes in a green and yellow type of packaging and it has cooling effect to your eyes. It has cucumber seeds extracts which give instant coolness to your eyes. So this is the outer packaging in which it comes. So the net quantity which you get is 0.35 grams and you pay rupees 225 for this. The shelf life is for 2 years. And if you read the claims, so the brand says that it feels cool and refreshes eyes, deep black color, smudge proof up to 24 hours, waterproof, infused with cucumber seed extracts, suitable for contact lens users, suitable for sensitive eyes and ophthalmologically tested. So these are the claims made by the brand, and this is the Kajal pencil. Let me take out this and show you. This is open because I have used it. So this is the Kajal pencil which you get. The packaging is almost similar to the original Lakme Iconic Kajal, only this green label is here which says that it is Insta Cool Kajal. Otherwise everything is same. This is a retractable pencil and it is a plastic cover. So this is the Kajal. This is how you get. You have to just twist this to get the product out. And here also you get all the details regarding the this Kajal. Now if you talk about the cooling effect, so it gives you a very nice cooling effect the moment when you apply this Kajal, but that cooling effect, it goes within 5 minutes of the application. It does not stay, but this Kajal is very creamy and it is deep black in color, so very highly pigmented. I just love the pigmentation and the creamy texture of this. So this is, see, this is just one swipe application, just one line. How creamy it is and how much pigmented it is. It is very pigmented. If you want, you can just make it more pigmented. See, this is, if I draw it more than once, and this is just once. This is very highly pigmented. So now, as I said that it is highly creamy also. So if you apply a very thick line, or if you apply both on your upper eyes and lower eyes as well, and then if you close your eyes, then you can feel a little stickiness on your eyes, but that stickiness, it remains only for half an hour or so, and after half an hour the stickiness, it goes away. So no problem with that, but I think I must tell you. So this Kajal is totally smudge proof and waterproof. On my eyes it remained for around 8 to 9 hours. It started fading after around 4 to 5 hours only, but it was there for 8 to 9 hours on my eyes. And the cooling effect is a very small point here because it remains only for 5 minutes or so, nothing more than that, just a publicity stunt. But otherwise this Kajal is very highly pigmented and highly creamy, and I am just loving the texture of this Kajal and I won't mind buying it again. I will definitely repurchase this product. So if you want, you can definitely try out this product. And because of its creamy texture, it's very easy to blend. You do not need to apply any pressure on it for the application or anything. And if you rub your eyes with your fingers, then it will fade a little bit, and to take out it is also very easy. Just remove it with micellar water or any cleansing oil, it will come off very easily. But if you rub, it will fade out from your eyes. So do not touch your eyes while you apply this Kajal. Otherwise this is a very nice product and you can definitely try out this product. So this was the review for this Lakme Iconic Insta Cool Kajal. Hope this video was useful to you, and if you did like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.